Does your skin ever feel like it's shrinking in winter? The tight, stretched feeling after you wash your face? Or that slow burn, like your cheeks are sunburned but you haven't even stepped out? If yes, then that's not just dryness. That's your skin barrier asking for help. Hi, I'm Kasturi, a sensitive skin and hair care expert with over a decade of dedicated experience and co-founder of Oleum Cottage. My passion lies in harnessing the power of plant oils for their therapeutic use and in advanced cosmetic formulations to create hair care and skin care that truly work. Today, I shall talk about what's happening under your skin in winter and how you can repair your barrier naturally so that your skin stays calm, soft, and steady throughout the season. Most people are told, oh, your skin is dry because it's winter. But dryness is only the surface story. What's really happening is this. When temperatures drop, the humidity in the air drops too. This pulls the moisture out of your skin, literally the same way cold air dries clothes faster than humid air. Now, your skin barrier, which should be a strong lipid wall, starts to form micro cracks, not visible ones, tiny breaks that disrupt your barrier in patches. What you feel as tightness, burning, that papery stretch, that redness after cleansing, these are all signs that your skin barrier lipids have thinned out. These micro cracks make your nerves more exposed. That's why even plain water stings for some people in winter. So your skin is essentially saying, I can't hold moisture anymore. I don't have the lipids to keep irritants out. So stop stripping me. Please build me. That's the key difference. So you can say that winter skincare isn't just about adding moisture. It's about rebuilding the lipid matrix. And I see this happen every winter, even for people who take great care of their skin. Here are the mistakes that make your barrier worse. Mistake number 1, foaming cleansers. Foam means surfactants. Most surfactants dissolve oils, including the protective lipids you desperately need in winter. This is why so many people feel redness or skin stretchiness immediately after washing their face. Mistake number 2, skipping moisturizing your face and body right after shower. Within 2-3 minutes of cleansing, your skin loses up to 25% more moisture in winter because the barrier is open and vulnerable. If you apply moisturizer 10 minutes later, it's already too late. Mistake number 3, using thick petroleum creams. Yes, this surprises many people, but petroleum, while it feels rich, it forms an occlusive film that traps heat, leading to redness and inflammation in sensitive skin. Sensitive skin needs breathable lipids and not just plastic-like occlusion. So how do you actually repair the barrier? Let's break it down into something simple and sustainable. Not 7 steps, not 10 layers, just what your barrier truly needs. Step 1, switch to a non-foaming cleanser. Your barrier has holes. Your job is to stop making new ones. A non-foaming cleanser protects your lipids while still cleansing thoroughly. Our Sika Repair Cleansing Balm improves impurities and melts down sunscreen and makeup without disturbing your skin's natural oils. Step 2, add a lipid replenishing layer. Think of your barrier like a brick wall. The ceramides, the fatty acids, and the cholesterol are the cement. In winter, your cement rise up faster, so you need external lipids. But here's the important part. Your skin absorbs plant oils significantly better than synthetic emollients because their structure resembles human sebum. Our activated oils in Daily Repair Body Oil, this is formulated with cold-pressed barrier strengthening lipids that replenish the cement and rebuild the matrix. Activated oils is our proprietary therapeutic blend that repairs, calms, and rebuilds the skin barrier naturally. Step 3, lock in hydration with breathable moisture. Go for body creams rich in barrier repairing ingredients. This is why the Ultra Healing Cream works beautifully in winter. It softens cracked patches and improves consistent symptoms. Step 4, protect in the daytime. Even in winter, UV weakens the barrier. A gentle mineral sunscreen like this one protects and repairs without causing any reactions. And now to the question I get asked often. When can one see results? When people repair their barrier correctly, I see a predictable pattern. Day 1 to 3, reduced burning, and lesser tightness. Day 5 to 7, skin feels softer and holds moisture longer. Day 10 to 14, redness and microflaking significantly reduce, and your skin looks calmer and more even. So barrier repair is slow, but the results are long-lasting and deeply transformative. Please trust me on this. Winter can be harsh on sensitive skin, but it doesn't have to be painful. Listen to your skin, support the barrier, and choose gentler methods. Trust that with the right products and the right routine, your skin knows exactly how to heal. If you want more calm skin guidance, or you're confused about what routine suits your skin type, comment below. We are always here to help you. And if this helped, share it with someone who needs it this season.